Welcome to our channel. Today we're looking into a powerful tool that's been making waves in the world of data automation and web scraping, Browse AI. If you're looking to simplify data extraction and automate repetitive tasks, stick around because this review will cover everything you need to know about this game-changing software. What is Browse AI? Browse AI is an advanced web scraping and data automation tool designed to streamline the process of extracting information from websites. It's perfect for businesses, researchers, marketers, and anyone who needs to gather large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, Browse AI stands out as a top choice in the market. Key features. First up, let's talk about the features that make Browse AI a standout product. No-code interface. One of the biggest selling points of Browse AI is its no-code interface. You don't need to be a programmer to use this tool. With a simple point-and-click setup, you can easily create and manage your scraping tasks. Automation. Browse AI allows you to automate repetitive tasks with ease. Whether you're tracking price changes, monitoring competitors, or gathering leads, you can set up the automation to run at your preferred intervals. Data extraction. The tool excels at extracting structured data from any website. You can export this data into various formats such as CSV, Excel, or directly into Google Sheets, making it incredibly versatile for different needs. Scheduler and notifications. With the Scheduler feature, you can set your scraping tasks to run at specific times. Plus, you get notifications when tasks are completed, so you're always in the loop. API integration. For those who need more advanced functionalities, Browse AI offers API integration. This allows seamless integration with other tools and workflows, making it a powerful addition to your tech stack. Ease of use. Next, let's discuss the usability of Browse AI. The setup process is straightforward and the user interface is intuitive. Even if you're a complete beginner, the platform provides step-by-step guides and tutorials to get you started. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, with all the tools you need clearly laid out. Performance. Performance-wise, Browse AI is impressive. The speed of data extraction is fast, and the accuracy is top-notch. It can handle complex websites with dynamic content without breaking a sweat. During our tests, we found that Browse AI consistently delivered accurate data, which is crucial for making informed decisions based on the information gathered. Support and community. Another aspect worth mentioning is the support and community behind Browse AI. The team provides excellent customer support through various channels, including live chat and email. Additionally, there's a growing community of users who share tips, tricks, and use cases, making it easier to learn and get the most out of the tool. Pricing. When it comes to pricing, Browse AI offers several plans to suit different needs and budgets. There's a free tier that allows you to try out the basic features, which is great for getting a feel of the tool. For more advanced features and higher limits, you can opt for one of the paid plans. Overall, the pricing is competitive and offers good value for the capabilities provided. Conclusion. To wrap it up, Browse AI is a robust and versatile tool for anyone needing efficient web scraping and data automation solutions. Its ease of use, powerful features, and reliable performance make it a must-have for businesses and individuals alike. If you're tired of manual data collection and want to automate your workflows, Browse AI is definitely worth checking out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. And if you're ready to give Browse AI a try, click the link in the description below to get started. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.